The DJI Mini 5 Pro's RC2 is a highly advanced remote controller that provides drone pilots with a seamless flying experience through its built-in screen, intuitive controls, and reliable performance. However, as with any valuable piece of technology, it is essential to protect it from scratches, dust, and accidental damage to ensure long-lasting use. Here are some of the best protective cases for the DJI RC2.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have FPVtosky Sun Hood Case. For drone pilots who frequently fly outdoors, the FPVtosky Sun Hood Case is a valuable accessory. It provides dual functionality by protecting the DJI RC2 while also enhancing screen visibility in bright sunlight. The sunshade cover can be adjusted freely from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, allowing you to operate the RC remote control comfortably in sunny, rainy, or snowy conditions. By blocking glare, it effectively reduces light interference and ensures clearer flight visibility. When closed, the RC2's sunshade cover provides comprehensive protection for the smart controller, safeguarding the screen, buttons, and joysticks from dust, scratches, and bumps during storage or transportation. Easy to install and remove, the FPVtosky Sun Hood Case is especially useful for aerial photographers and videographers who need consistent visibility in outdoor environments. By combining protective features with practical functionality, it is an excellent option for pilots looking to maximize both safety and performance. On number 2, we have Gaekol Silicone Case. The Gaekol Silicone Case is an ideal choice for those who prioritize all-around protection for their DJI RC2. Made from high-quality, flexible silicone material, this case wraps around the controller to shield it from scratches, dust, and everyday wear. Its shock-absorbing properties also help reduce the risk of damage from accidental drops or impacts. The RC2 silicone protective case is crafted from high-elastic silicone, offering reliable anti-drop, shock-proof, and scratch-resistant protection. Reinforced edges on both sides of the screen add an extra layer of safety for your DJI RC2 remote control. Designed with precise cutouts, the Mini 5 Pro silicone case ensures full access to functional ports including the antenna, SD card slot, charging port, and lanyard screws without affecting their use. The Gaekol RC2 silicone case installs and stores easily without interference, fitting seamlessly into different carrying cases, waterproof cases, and storage options. On number 3, we have PGYTECH Joystick Protective Case. One of the most vulnerable parts of the DJI RC2 is its joysticks, which are critical for precise control during flights. The PGYTECH Joystick Protective Case is specifically designed to safeguard this essential component. Built with durable plastic, the case securely covers the joysticks, preventing damage from accidental bumps, pressure, or improper storage. Its compact design allows it to snap on easily without interfering with other parts of the controller, making it convenient to use during transport. The interior is carefully molded to hold the joysticks in place, preventing unnecessary movement and wear. This protective accessory is especially useful when storing the controller in a backpack or traveling, where the joysticks are most at risk. By focusing on protecting one of the controller's most delicate elements, the PGYTECH Joystick Protective Case provides peace of mind and ensures long-term precision in drone handling. So these are some of the best cases to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.